That's how it starts. We go back to your house. You check the charts and start to figure it out. And if it's crowded, all the better, because we know we're gonna be up late. But if you're worried about the weather, then you pick the wrong place to stay. That's how it starts. And so it starts. You switch the engine